credit reports.
Let me explain what seems, in some people's mind, to be a very atypical consumer. Somebody who doesn't have any credit and has never had credit with any company that reports to those big three credit reporting agencies. That person doesn't exist, right? Wrong. There are roughly 50 million people in this country who fit that description.
And they're not kids.
They're definitely not kids. They don't have a credit report at one of the three big bureaus. They don't have a FICO score at one of the big three bureaus. Therefore, what is a lender to do when they want to apply for some sort of mainstream credit?
No mortgage, no student loan, no credit cards, no auto loan. So there's no borrowing at all. So, what do they do?
It's almost like they don't exist, which is not good when it comes to the credit world. You want to exist. You want to be in the system. There's a pretty cool little company called Payment Reporting Builds Credit. Quirky name, serious mission. These guys will actually allow you to self-report and create your own credit report using what's referred to as non-traditional credit information. Let me give you some examples. The rent you pay to your landlord or apartment complex.
Yeah, why not?
If you have rent-to-own obligations, if you have utilities, we all do, power, gas, phone, cell phone. These are all obligations that you're contractually locked into, but you don't get any credit for it with the big three. PRBC, or Payment Reporting Builds Credit, will allow you to report the information to them. They verify it for a fee. There's another credit report.
But this is one, though. This is a credit report that's not built outside of you, meaning that another agency is building this unbeknownst to you at a day-to-day basis. This is something that you have to go and do for yourself, right?
That's exactly right. If you've chosen to not be in the system to the point where you don't have a credit report with the big three, then you're going to have to do a little work to create your own credit file. The good news is that around 650,000 people have chosen to do this. And the best news is that Fair Isaac is working with these guys and has built a credit score on their system to evaluate this non-traditional information. The reason I'm so excited about this is because it makes a lender's job more efficient when they can process your credit application by looking at a score rather than looking at a bunch of receipts that you brought to them in a shoebox.
Yeah, who wants to do that? Now you said there's a fee involved.
There is a fee.
What are we talking?
We're talking about $30, which isn't the end of the world. I mean, compare that to the amount of money you can save by getting 100 basis points.
A better interest rate.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
It's absolutely worth it.